This is not an electric glider, it's an electric aeroplane. As you can see, there's a bit of damage there. Not difficult to put right. It's basically just the airframe, nothing much else, and motor on there, and a wing. So you've got everything. The airframe there. It's even got a hook underneath for bungee launching of it, and a wing you can band on. Actually, this isn't the wing for that aircraft. So, don't know what we... Okay, all I can say is it's an incomplete airframe because I don't know what wing goes on this one. But it's not that wing, it doesn't fit properly. With a Grosvenor, a motor and a Grosvenor folding prop. That's all you get there. This is something that I built up out of a kit. Let me just put it up there. It's a foam. So yeah, let's try and remember this. So you've got some balsa or thin ply inside there, but most of the rest of it is made out of foam, and it's made of that high density black foam with some tape, yellow tape on it, rolls of tape. There's a couple of the rolls of tape down there. I think I call it wing tape. There's a roll of the yellow wing tape. And there's a foam wing for it. Now, I destroyed the foam wing, if I remember rightly. I've not seen it about. But basically what it is, it's two big bits of foam with a long... I kept the carbon fibre spar out of it. And I thought I'll go and get another kit up of a wing. Quite a lot of lead in the front. The batteries in the front there. And we've got the receiver there. Classic standard receiver. And you've got a couple of servos at the back. And what you can do, because this is a kit, the V isn't a very sharp V, you can change this at the back. So you can have it as a, yes, or a V, and you can increase the angle of the V. It's just bits of card, wood, glue, then you cover it. But as it is there, that works all right. Now, you'd think, well, there's quite a bit of weight. Why did we put the servos further forward? But they are fairly lightweight servos there. It bombed itself off a slope, no problem, with the wing in the middle of it there. And that V shape there worked okay for me. So available to be built in two different configurations. And but the problem with it at the moment is no wing. If the wing was here, I'd be able to see it. Let's just do the last couple of bits while I'm here. What we got? A couple of jets. That's a plywood covered foam wing for something. That's